Hello, Terry, and everyone at Yoder Electric. I am Charles Marine. I work with Wally Digital. We help local businesses attract more clients organically. And reason I'm shooting this video, I like to help business owners. I realize that there's a lot of time business owners do not have. A lot of the time, business owners are very busy and don't have the time to actually do these kind of optimization tips that can help them attract people organically instead of paying for Google ads or paying for Yelp or Home Advisor. You can actually attract local business organically using your website. We know about 90% of people, when searching for local businesses, they use Google, and off out of those, about I think 70% do not move past the first page. So it's important to be on the first page. For example, if I was searching for an electrician in Dublin, Ohio, those the search results I'll get. And I'm going to go through each of these sections of the search results. But it's important now for this one keyword. A keyword is a phrase that people put. This is more of a buyer intent. This person is probably doesn't know the name of the companies and is looking for an electrician. 70% of people will not leave this first page, so it's important to have to show up here. I just want to talk about these results for a second before I move on. Usually you'll see ads here, like now these are those Google guaranteed ads. And then right below the ads, you'll see what's known as the map pack section. We'll talk about that. And then you'll have your organic search results here. At the top of the search results, usually for local businesses, might be a Better Business Bureau directory. And then you'll find Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, these huge national websites. Then you'll start to see more local websites. And we're going to take this guy here, safeelectric.net, as your competitor, because I believe they are your competitor. So I'm going to use them as an example while comparing your website. Okay, so the three things I want to talk about are content citations and backlinks. Now, everything I've highlighted here is content, all the pictures, all the text, the words behind the pictures, etc. To optimize with Google, it's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. By authoritative, I mean showing what you do, who you are, what services you provide, what locations you also work at, or you provide the services to. One thing I want to say, your website, I do like the design of your website. I can see you have a lot of good pictures, wise pictures. However, your text on this front page is not enough. I would probably increase it by about 1,000 words, just so that Google can pick you up as an authority in what you do. Along with having 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, it's important to saturate them with keywords. So these are these buyer intent keywords that people who are looking for your business will be typing. There are tools out there that we can analyze these keywords. For example, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and with it, I analyzed electrician Dublin, Ohio. I can tell the 40 people who search for that per month. Excuse me. And just by domain, like we saw before, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Angie's List, and then here's your competitor. They're getting 5 people coming in. They're being directed to their site by Google. The 5 people per month are clicking on the site for just this one keyword. Now, if I analyze their site, I can see which other keywords they rank for. This is their site. I can see that electric repair service, they get a lot of traffic. So there's about 1,200 people searching per month. They get a lot of traffic because they're in the first position. Let's see. Electrician, Hillard, Ohio, 50 people look at that per month. They get 1 person because they're in the 11th position. That's close to the end of the second page of Google. Electricians in Columbus, Ohio, 500 people search for that per month. They get about 1% because they're on the 23rd position within Google. So let's analyze this one keyword here, electrician, Columbus, Ohio, 500 people. That's a good keyword to have. And you can see, you can look at the traffic, and you can see that there are some sites that grab a lot of traffic, even if they're in the 9th position. So that's why it's important to saturate your website with these keywords. Okay, that's enough about content. Well, one last thing, even what your pictures are saved as. Save image, gallery 5. If it was saved as a keyword, Google can pick that up and then rank you higher and higher for that keyword. Okay, the second thing I want to talk about has to do with this section here called the map pack, where you have a map and 3 local businesses. Oh, you're actually already here. This is awesome. So for this keyword, you're ranking high. The way to stay here and to constantly beat your competition is citations. There are tools out there that can analyze citations of your competition, so you can keep on par, or at least keep beating them. Tools like Bright Local or whitespark.ca. But first, let me explain about citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet in different directories that your name, address, and phone number are listed. So the higher quality directories, the more directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. More directories you're listed in, the higher you'll rank here. So I would actually analyze your competition and make sure you consistently beat them by 50 or 100 so that you stay here and you grab traffic. Third thing I want to talk about has more to do with this organic search listing area. And the third thing I want to talk about is backlinks. Backlinks are wherever different websites link to bring traffic to you, to your web page. If there's a link directing people to your web page on a different web page, that's a backlink. So for example, if there's a conference for all electricians in Ohio happening in Columbus, and they have a blog out there, they write good things about your business, and they have a link to you, that Google sees that as a good, strong backlink. But not all backlinks are the same. So if there's a pizza shop in Philadelphia that's linking to your site, Google will see that as, different niches, nothing to do with each other. So it will look a bit spammy. It wouldn't be as strong, and it won't count for you as strong. Now, I took the liberty of analyzing a website like I showed you before. You have about 483 backlinks from 24 domains. Let's take your competition and look at their website. They have about 108 backlinks. That's less from 37 domains. They are ranking for a lot more keywords. They have included many more keywords on their site, and maybe that's why they're ahead of you in certain searches. So what I advise people to do is, analyze your competition's backlinks. Make sure you appear in these, like now this bigyellow.com, superpages.com. Make sure you appear in same backlinks or even better quality backlinks. So remember how I said not all backlinks are the same. Let's look at this backlink on your competitor's website. It's some random Ethiopian News Today. So I'm sure Google picks that up and sees that that's not a good backlink. Whoever is doing the SEO probably did not care about the quality of the backlinks that they're giving them. So I want to go back to your site. And I want to just take a look at the quality of your backlinks. Yoder Electric, here we go. So, and maybe this is why you're not ranking as high, because your quality of backlinks are not the same. I can see you're in very many directories, and that's a good thing. Yoder, isolvedhire.com. I guess that's a hiring job site. Oh no, that is your site. Okay, well, it's working as a good backlink for you, and etc. I don't want to take too much of your time, but those are the three things to think about. Content citations and backlinks. Send this over to your website person or your SEO person. Have them work on this and start to beat your competition and grab that traffic from them. If you'd like to work together on this, once again, I am Wally Digital. Thanks for contacting me through Alignable. You can also send me an email or give me a call, and I'd love to talk about partnering together. No harm, no foul. If you don't want to, just use these tips and have and get more business. Thank you.